So a few months ago, we were at Savda, our friend. She made this amazing Cambodian dish. Today, we actually replicated. We really love this, and we want to show you guys how to make it and how to eat it.
Hello. I'm gonna make shrimp paste dip. So shrimp paste dip is actually more authentic sauce that we eat with bamboo shoot, or we can eat with Thai eggplant as well. So put some garlic, some chili, and then you're gonna grind this. And I'm gonna add some sugar, a teaspoon of sugar for now. Some coconut.
The best.
MSG.
Yes.
No shame.
Coconut.
No shame.
Yeah, no shame. No shame. This is the good one. Grind it together. Smash it up. Well together. It's gonna be spicy, guys. So, but
I like it.
It's a good spicy. Mix with dry fish powder. So I'm gonna add some of this for flavor. I'm gonna add kapi. This is a lot of scoop here. So I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of this.
This is from southern Thailand, right?
Thai, yeah. Kapi Thai.
Can you use regular kapi or?
Yeah, you can also use regular kapi, but you're gonna have to put less than kapi Thai because it's very salty. Yeah, more salty than this kapi. Yeah. Squish the lime juice into it. Basically.
I can smell it.
It all depends. If you like sweet, you can add more sugar, but I prefer not too sweet. It doesn't go with this food actually. It's good now. It's all set. Easy.
Do you like cucumber?
I
Or
do.
eggplant?
Me, I like cucumber more than eggplant.
Why did you buy the eggplant then?
Because this is how Savda she ate it. So,
Oh, okay.
So this is paying homage to her. I like eggplants
Keep
too.
talking.
There's no shame.
Hey, I'm gonna get some chili this time. Hopefully I don't die from this.
Is it spicy?
No, not spicy for me.
Ooh, it creeps up on you.
We actually have something similar, like a Thai. We call it namprik kapi. You know Khmer food and Thai food?
So similar.
We're sisters. Sister!
We're going in. This is a good dip to eat with crunchy vegetables. I really like Cambodian food.
Oh, I love Cambodian food.
We should do a Cambodian food tour in Lowell. Lowell is like, what, 35 minutes from us? Is it? It's not that far. And where there's a large community, we're gonna have good food.
Dang, that dish is really good.
If you guys love Cambodian food and know any dishes you want us to research and try to make, let us know in a comment below.
Yes, so until next time, we'll see you.
Alright,
Bye.
bye.